3G technology. We live in a world where our working and living condition transformed by technology. When smartphones were first introduced, there was no texting as well as undoubtedly horrible connection. Then, second generation network came. Slowly, technology innovation strengthened, and third generation of mobile technology innovation took place. What is 3G technology? 3G is a short form of third generation. 3G is the next generation of technology which has revolutionized the telecommunication industry. Apart from increasing the speed of communication, the objective of this technology is to provide various values, added services like video calling, mobile internet, etc. on the mobile phone. Now look at the diagram, it shows the evolution of 3G technology and how the technology developed in 21st century. Evolution of 3G technology. 3G technology is a result of research and development work carried out by International Telecommunication Union in the early 1980s. Initial plan focused on multimedia applications such as video conferencing on mobile phones. 3G has also introduced the term mobile broadband because its speed and capability make it a viable alternative for internet browsing, and USB modems connecting to 3G network are becoming increasingly common. Overview. 3G technology promises that it will keep people connected at all times and in all places. As technology becomes more sophisticated, systems become increasingly vulnerable to attack by hackers unless countermeasures are implemented to protect against such activity. 3G standards were developed in 15 years. Significance. Introduction of this technology has given a significance to the mobile phone concept, making the device an advanced multifunctional instrument. It is now offer the user a wide range of facilities. The most important among them is efficiency. Faster and improved efficiency is the system has contributed to the availability of broadband internet in the mobile phone. To be precise, the 3G technology has revolutionized the system to make it a complete but compact device by providing easy access to internet. Advantages of 3G technology. 3G is the current mobile tech and is now the most rapidly growing among the mobile handset. Individuals may utilize their handset and let them function as a modem in their laptops, downloading songs and games. Using 3G technology, you get appreciate data transmission speed up to 2 megabytes per second. Now look at the slide, it describes you the advantages of 3G technology with the help of chart diagram. Disadvantages of 3G technology. The devices are known to stuff up sometime. It could be perfect, but if we try again it won't work. 3G subscribers in India have many problems with 3G services. They are experiencing high call drop as compared to 2G services. Users have to recharge their phone again and again, and it is more expensive as compared to 2G technology. There are complaints of high disconnection rates while traveling. Thank you.